Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. First thing you want to do, let's launch the Snapchat app. Then I want you to head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. When you're at the gear icon, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you will have a section that is called account actions, okay? Second to the last you have delete account. When you click delete account, you will be forwarded to a special place where essentially you will have to input your username and your password. This is what is going to happen after you proceed with deleting your account. Your account will be deactivated, which means all the friends that you previously add as a friends will not be able to contact you. They will also lose any chats you previously saved, any swaps, any chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted completely. This means that the rules here are the same as the ones that usually follows when you try to delete your Facebook or Instagram or TikTok account. They all give you 30 days period in which if you change your mind, you can simply go back, log in and recover your account. Very important, if you really want to delete your account, you want to make sure you collect your data, your files, your information from Snapchat. This is how the process works if you want to do so. If you requested your data and you haven't received it yet, please wait until you have downloaded your data to delete your account. We won't be able to contact you if your account is scheduled for deletion. Very important note over here, guys, is that if you really want to delete your account, you have to wait until you get your data. You have to request your data from Snapchat, and Snapchat will take time to process the request, and then we'll get back to you and send you the data. They cannot send you the data if your account is scheduled for deletion. This is why you have to wait, you have to request the information, you have to collect the information, and then you can actually proceed with the deletion. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.